Hello everyone, here's Royce from PA Kitchen. Today I want to show you this Manhattan collection. Manhattan is one of the economy center of the world. Okay, let me show you how our designer designed the kitchen cabinet in Manhattan. Please stay a whole view first. In the right side is the tall cabinet. You can see that we set the oven place for here. If you need a bright cabinet, we can set the bright cabinet in here. The bright will be here. The next part is the base cabinet. Here is the sink. And this is the countertop. The countertop, we choose the center stone. Now, center stone is the most popular countertop in the market now. And here is the cooker. Above the cooker is the wall cabinet. You can see that there's no handle here. Why? Because this is a push open. Let me show you. And here is the cabinet for the hook. Around the wall cabinets, we set some brick at here. It is very convenient. We can put the wine, glass, the bottle, and other small things at here. What's more important, it can save the space. And we also set the LED light at the bottom of the rack. It can increase the brightness of the kitchen and it will look more beautiful. Okay, that's all what I want to show you today. Follow us and we will update more interesting videos. Bye!